1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. Here, the question is, if sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1, if sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1, prove that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to 1. Clear now? Question. Okay. Then here given sine theta equal to sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. So sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what happened? Sine square theta equal to cos raised to 4 theta. Sine square theta equal to cos raised to 4 theta. Go to here. Our requirement is what? Cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is sine square theta equal to 1. Finish. Okay. Finish. Nandana, is it okay? Clear? Okay. So next question. Is it okay or not? Is it okay? So next question, right? Sec raised to 6 theta. 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 Sec raised to 6 theta equal to tan raised to 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta 6 square theta plus 1. Sec, okay, sec raised to 6 theta, sec raised to 6 theta equal to tan raised to 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta. Why are you late, man? Neil, now you wait. Sec raised to 6 theta equal to tan raised to 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta 6 square theta plus 1. Okay. Okay. So look at here. You want to start from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS? What's the plan? Hello. What is the plan? Do you want to start from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS? LHS to LHS. Eh? RHS to LHS. Why? Come on. You thought this is a bigger one. That's a better start from here. Akshaya. What was the intention to say? RHS to LHS. Okay, I'm starting from LHS only. Look at here. I'm starting from LHS. Look, sec raised to 6 theta. We can write 6 square theta whole cube. Agree or not? Right? Sec, maybe I don't know whether I can find. I don't know that. Okay. 6 raised to 6 theta. We can write 6 square theta whole cube. That is 1 plus tan square theta whole cube. We know that a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That is, okay, 1 cube plus tan raised to 6 theta plus 3 into 1 into tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta, right? Okay. So 1 plus tan raised to 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta, 6 square theta. Finish. Simple. Okay. Simple. 4 mark in your pocket. Okay. Okay. It's clear now. That depends on the question, Akshaya. Okay. That is from the experience. Yeah. Keep on trying many questions, then you come to know. That's only. Okay, so next one. Is it okay now? Next one. Is it clear now? Is it okay? Right. Similar one question. Esther, is it okay? Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay, so finish other. Okay, so next question, similar one. Okay, similar one question. Cosec raised to 6 theta equal to cot raised to 6 theta plus 3 cot square theta, 3 cot square theta cosec square theta plus 1. Cot raised to 6 theta, cot raised to 6 theta plus 3 cot square theta cosec square theta plus 1. Okay, try this one. Same type. Okay. Okay, finish. So what you did this one? You did cosec square theta whole cube. Cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta whole cube. That is 1 cube plus cot raised to 6 theta plus 3 into 1 into cot square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So that is 1 plus cot raised to 6 theta plus 3 cot square theta into cosec square theta. I hope clear out, right? Okay. So, Marsuk, is it okay? Mansuri. Okay. So next one. Next. If sine theta plus sine square theta, Neil, look at here. Hello, Neil. Again, that question, your doubt questions coming. Yes, all star question, man. All star question. Okay. We cannot leave this all question, star question. Okay. Right. If sine theta plus sine square theta, Neil, your doubt question is coming now. Okay. Sine theta plus sine square theta. If sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Okay, prove that. Sorry, find the value of cos raised to 12 theta, cos raised to 12 theta plus 3 cos raised to 10 theta plus 3 cos raised to 8 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta plus 2 cos raised to 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 2. Okay, copy the question, then I'll explain this one. Okay. Okay, just copy, then I'll explain. Don't start. Okay, look at here now. Hello, Neil, are you here or not? Okay, now look at here. This is the one your doubt question, same type. Okay, first of all, you take this one. Okay, sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. That is equal to cos square theta. Right now, sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta. Okay. So squaring on both sides, sine square theta equal to cos raised to 4 theta. This is the one last question we did. Okay. Now this one, look at here. This part, little big one. Okay. I'm going to rearrange. Hello, listen all. Cos raised to 12 theta, I'm writing cos raised to 4 theta whole cube. You have any objection? Cos raised to 12 theta, 4 into 3. Cos raised to 4 theta into whole cube. Any objection or not? Is it okay or not? Hello, is it okay? Okay. Then plus 10, 3 into cos raised to 4 theta whole square into cos square theta. Cos raised to 10, I wrote cos raised to 4 whole square into cos square. 4 into 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Same, right? Okay. Plus 3 into cos raised to 4 theta into cos square theta whole square. 4, 2 into 4, 8. Plus cos raised to cos square theta whole cube. Plus this one, we can take 2 outside. Cos raised to 4 theta plus cos square theta minus 1. Okay, everyone check this line okay or not. Then I can proceed next one. Okay. This slide clear or not? Okay, Esther, what is this one up to here? Any idea? Cos raised to 4 theta whole cube, 3 cos raised to 4 theta whole square, cos square theta plus 3 cos raised to 4 theta cos square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole cube. What is that? Hello, Esther, any idea about that? It will be cancelled. Hey, not it will be cancelled. It is a plus b whole cube. Look, a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Correct or no? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So that is cos raised to 4 theta plus cos square theta whole cube plus, this is plus 2 into cos raised to 4 theta or sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 1. Now, again here, cos raised to 4 theta is sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube plus 2 into 1 minus 1. That means this part, okay, this is 1. Final answer is what? 1 plus 0. Answer is what? 1. Okay, copy fast. Is it okay or not? Okay, copy first. Okay, Afia, this is clear or not? This part clear or not? Okay, so 12 we can write cos raised to 4 theta whole cube. That is okay or not? Instead of 12, we can write cos raised to 4 theta whole cube. Why? 4 into 3, 12. Okay, 10 we can write 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. We split like that. Okay, next one, 8 we can write 4 cos square whole square. So 4 here, 8. Last line, cos raised to 6 theta we can write cos square theta whole cube. So this means, okay, look, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. That is a plus b whole cube. A is cos raised to 4 theta. B is cos square theta plus. So that means this full is cos raised to 4 theta plus cos square theta whole cube. That is okay or not? Okay, now balance 2 into cos raised to 4 theta, we got it sin square theta, cos square theta plus minus 1. Here again cos raised to 4 theta sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube plus 2 into 1 minus 1. This is 1. Here 0. So answer is 1. Okay, so next one. Okay, copy fast. Are they finished or not? Okay. Okay. Murdula, finish or not? Okay, so next question. Right. If x by a cos theta, if x by a cos theta, if x by a cos theta, if x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta, x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. Then x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta equal to 1. Once again, x by a no. Okay, look at here. If x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. X by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta equal to 1. Okay. Show that x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. Okay. Who are all in the waiting room? Why didn't you send a message? Why long time you're waiting there? Okay, try this one. So you are missing the very important questions. Okay, so already I recorded. So I'll upload today itself. So you have to check that one. Okay. How many questions finished? Advait? Okay, 4 questions finished. Okay. Okay. So the question, I'll give a hint. Look at here. Squaring. You square this one, and add it. You'll get it. Idea understood? Square and keep it squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides and add it. Okay, try first. Okay, are you getting? Okay, you try square this one on scoring both sides, and try. Okay, okay. Where are the? I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Now getting? Okay, so look at here. I'm squaring this one. This squaring. Okay, this also squaring. And add. Okay, what will get squaring this one? X square by a square cos square theta plus y square by b square sin square theta plus 2xy by ab cos theta sin theta equal to 1. This one, x square by a square sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta minus 2xy by ab cos theta sin theta equal to 1. Okay. Add both. When we add, this will cancel. X square by a square cos square theta, x square by a square sin square theta. X square by a square into that plus y square by b square into that equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Finish. Okay. Now check it. Okay. Is it clear now? Hello. Is it okay or not? Last step. Look at here. Last step. Who asked me? Okay. Last step. Look at here. X square by a square cos square theta. X square by a square sin square theta. I took x square by a square outside. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Y square by b square sin square theta. Y square b square cos square theta. Y square by b square outside. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is 1. Here 1. This is cancelled. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now clear or not? Okay. So next question. Is it okay all? Okay. So next question. Next one. Right. Seek A equal to x plus 1. This is our star question. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Prove that seek A plus tan A equal to seek A plus tan A equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Prove that seek A plus tan A equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. Okay, try now. Okay. It's clear now. Look at here. I'll show this one. It's not an easy question. Hello. Hello. Listen all. Come on. Wait on. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x. We have to find out seek A plus tan A equal to either 2x or 1 by 2x. Both you have to find out. Seek A plus tan A equal to 2x or 1 by 2x. So that means you have to find out tan A first. Seek already there, right? CK is already there. So we have to find out tan A. Look at here now. Look. Seek A equal to x plus 1 by 4x given. From this one, yeah, CK plus tan A. No, we cannot add. Just wait. We have to find out tan A. Akshaya, we have to find out tan A. Then we add it. From this one, we have to find out tan A. Look at it. I'll show you. Squaring on both sides. Sec square A equal to x plus 1 by 4x whole square. I'm squaring on both sides. So what will get? X square plus 1 by 16 x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4x. A square plus b square plus 2ab. That is equal to x square plus 1 by 16 x square plus cut 1 by 2. Is it okay? X square plus 1 by 16 x square plus 1 by 2. Is it okay or not? Is it okay or not? When I squaring, we got sec square A equal to x square plus 1 by 16 x square plus 1 by 2. Okay. Emma, is it okay? Okay, now, Cassia. Okay, now, but our requirement is what? Our requirement is tan A, not our, we want CK plus tan A. CK already there. Our requirement is tan A. So, instead of sec square A, we can write 1 plus tan square A. X square plus 1 by 16 x square plus 1 by 2. We want tan square A equal to x square plus 1 by 16 x square plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. 1 by 2 minus 1 is what? Half minus 1 is what? Half minus 1. Half minus 1 minus half. Correct or not? Minus half. A minus half. That is x square plus 1 by 16 x square minus half. Okay. So we got now, look. Okay, now listen here. Okay, tan square is, this is equal to tan square A equal to x minus 1 by 4x whole square. Agree or not? This is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct? So that means tan A equal to plus or minus x minus 1 by 4x. Why? Why? Because a square equal to 25, a equal to plus or minus 5. What do you call Jonathan, Nandana, Abarna? It is your assignment question. Correct or no? Hello, Nandana. Is it your assignment questions? I think 25 or something. Okay. So that means tan A equal to plus or minus x minus 1 by 4x. Okay, right up to here. Then I'll tell you. Okay. Right up to here. So make sure it's a very important question. Okay. Okay, so after that, yeah, let us see that. After that, we'll discuss that. Okay, let me finish this identity first. Okay, so now, look, which chapter going on? Polynomial only, right? Gulf Indian, polynomial only. Okay, then okay. So look at here now. Now ck plus tan A equal to ck what? X plus 1 by 4x plus x minus 1 by 4x. First I took positive equal to 2x. Second part, sec A plus tan A equal to x plus 1 by 4x minus x plus 1 by 4x. X cancel. 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4x is 2 by 4x. That is 1 by 2x. Okay. Everyone check this question. Very, very important question, this one. Okay. Okay. Anyone want to explain this question? Hello? Anyone want to explain this? I'll do it. Come on. Anyone have doubt? Sure? Okay. So no doubt. Okay, then okay. This star question, okay. So next, okay, then I'll go to the next question, okay. Nandana, is clear or not? Jonathan, Abarna, Jees, Glenn, Anigrah, Yenda, Mahadi, Rigved. Okay, so next question then, right? Sin theta plus cosec theta, sin theta plus cosec theta whole square, sin theta plus cosec theta whole square. This one you have to do it. Sin theta plus, what is the question number now? What is the question number? No. Total identity question. Total identity question. Total identity question. How much? Okay. Not 7, man. That's today maybe. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, this one you try. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square equal to sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosec sec theta whole square equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, try first. Okay. Oh, we did this one. Anyway, no problem. Try again. Okay, let us see anyone remember or not. Esther. No problem. Try again. Okay, finished. We did already this one. So So next question. We did already. Okay. So next question, right? 1 plus tan A minus cosec A. 1 plus tan A. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus tan A minus cosec A into 1 plus tan A plus sec A equal to 2. 1 plus tan A minus cosec A plus 1 plus tan A plus sec A equal to 2. You try this one. I'll give a hint. Hello. Question is. Hello. The question is 1 plus. Question. Write again. 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. 1 plus cot A minus cosec A into 1 plus tan A plus sec A equal to 2. Okay, write fast. Okay, question 1 plus cot A, 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. One plus cot A minus cosec A into 1 plus tan A plus sec A equal to 2. Clear now? Okay, try now. Okay, try now. One plus, I'll give a hint. It change tan A is sin A by cos A. Cosec A 1 by sin A. Sec 1 by cos A. Then multiply, you will get it. Akshaya, question here. 1 plus tan A minus cosec A into 1 plus tan A plus sec A equal to 2. Okay. Now word is clear. Okay. Sometimes no, I have 3 connection now, but still I have facing problem. Okay. 2 5Gs, 1 4G. Still problem there is, but not much issue now. Hint. Marsuk. Tan A sin A by cos A. Cosec A 1 by sin A. Tan A sin A by cos A. Sec A 1 by cos A. Take the LCM. Will get, or it throughout multiply also maybe you'll get it. I'm not sure about that. Okay. Okay, getting now? Okay. Hello. Okay, look at here. Hello. Look. Okay, I'll try this one. 1 plus tan A sin A by cos A minus 1 by sin A into 1 plus sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A. Okay. Let me see the question. Once again, let me check the question. Okay. One minute. Let me check the question. Oh, I made a mistake. This is cot A. 1 plus cot A. 1 plus cot A minus cosec A plus 1 plus tan A plus 1 by 1 plus tan A plus sec. Anyway, I'll try. So now, look. Correct the question 1 plus cot A, because here not coming the correct denominator. Cos A by sin A. Okay, minus. Hello, listen all. The question some correction. 1 plus. Hello, this Tejas. Hello, Tejas. There was a class last Saturday. Why didn't attend it, man? Yesterday. I arranged specially for Bhavans. Then you didn't attend it. Look, 1 plus cot A is cos A by sin A, 1 by sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A. Okay, now look. 1 plus same denominator, cos A minus 1 by sin A into 1 plus sin A plus 1 by cos A. Okay, this is coming here. This one coming here. Cos A plus sin A plus cos A minus 1 by sin A into cos A plus sin A by cos A. Okay. Can you write up to here? Hello. Everyone write up to here. Right. Hello, right up to here. What I did, cot A, I changed to cos A by sin A. Cosec A 1 by sin A. tan A sin A by cos A. Sec 1 by cos A. I took LCM here, cos A minus 1 by sin A. Here sin A plus 1 by cos. Again LCM, sin A plus cos A minus 1 by sin A, cos A plus sin A. Okay, clear now. After that, this is one term. Sin A plus cos A whole square minus 1 square by sin A cos A. Now, can you complete it? Open sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A minus 1 by sin A cos A. I hope you will get it. Try now. After that, you try. Okay. Why minus 12? Huh? No. Esther, not 12. 1 square. A plus B, A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. 1 square. Okay. Okay. So, clear now? My handwriting is very bad. Okay. Okay. So, now we open sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A minus 1 by sin A cos A. Open the bracket. I hope you'll get 2. Do that one. Anyway, no problem now. Okay, now it's still not getting now, Akshaya. Okay, so finished now. Your test portion is quadratic arithmetic coordinate geometry.
Quadratic geometry 1 and 2. So that no major is arithmetic progression. Okay. Arithmetic, I'll finish it next Saturday. Okay. Coordinate geometry simple only. Okay. So next question. Yeah, I'll finish it next Saturday. AP will finish it. Okay. Next Saturday means 12. Okay, I'll finish it. Okay. So next question, right? 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta. DPS is closing when 17th, right? Okay. 1 plus, next question. This is star question. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. 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 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. Listen. 1 plus 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. I'll give a hint. Hello, copy the question, then I'll give a hint. Copy, then I'll give a hint. Accordingly, you try. Okay. Okay, copy the question. Okay, now look at here. The plan, I'll tell you. Look. You heard about last year, conjugate. You multiply the numerator. Hello, listen all. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Because here minus become plus. That is called conjugate. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Here and here. Okay, then you try. Where is the plan understood or not? Multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. If it is plus, multiply with the minus. Minus with the plus. Okay. You try. If not getting, I'll show this. Okay, try now. Yeah, no problem. You can use that one. A plus B plus C square. It will be same only. A plus B plus C whole square in the numerator, but denominator cannot use it. Denominator is different. Okay, you can use that. Are you getting or not? Okay, so look at here now. Look at here. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. It is lengthy one. Check each step. This step okay or not? Hello. This step okay or not? I multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta sin theta. Okay. This one 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square divided by a minus b, a plus b. 1 plus cos theta whole square minus sin square theta. This is a plus b plus c whole square. This is a minus b into a plus b. Check the steps, each step. This is equal to 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Copy up to here. Hello, everyone, copy up to here. Okay. Finish or not? Finish up to here. Finish or not? After that, look, is it okay? Copy or not? Hello, is it okay? Copy. I want to explain this one. That's why I'm telling you. It's very lengthy one. Okay. Okay. So, look. Now this one, what? 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 cos theta, the last step, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta outside into cos theta plus 1 divided by, look at here, this one and this one together. 1 minus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. This step, look at here. 1 cos square theta plus sin square theta, 1. Here. 2 cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta outside. That is cos theta plus 1. Here, 1 minus sin square theta, I wrote here. Cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. That is 2 plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay. Then 2 outside. 2 into 1 plus cos theta. 2 into sin theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, now 2 into 1 plus cos theta, 2 into 1 plus cos theta, 2 into 1 plus cos theta outside, balance 1 plus sin theta. Here 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta outside, cos theta plus 1, cancel. Okay, 2 cancel, balance what? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. What did you find out? Check, what did you find out? I don't have the 1 plus, yeah, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, okay, copy first. Don't just copy, check all whether correct or not. Okay. Okay. Finished now? Okay. So next question. You can try one more question. Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Next class, I hope we can finish this chapter. So then I'll start. You don't have any test now, so we can start coordinate geometry for all. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, so next one. Very small question. Okay. Okay, try this one. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Question again. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta cosec theta minus cot theta whole square minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, try now. Oh, we already done. Oh, okay. Anyway, try again. Okay. Okay. So you already done this one. So this enough today. So next class, I hope we can finish this chapter. Now 40 questions over. Okay. Then I'll start. But once we need what do you call coordinate geometry, right? I'll do that. Okay, this enough today.